Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A pleasant good day to you, my wisdom warriors. I hope all is well. Anyway, expected rain and thunderstorms this week in Jamaica. Jamaicans can expect showers and thunderstorms starting this week. That's according to the Met Service. It says a trough is expected to bring unstable weather conditions across the island. The Met Service says the trough is expected to last for a few days. During this period, an increase in cloudy condition is forecast along with showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon. All right, my Jamaican people, wanna hear what them say go on. Heavy rain and thunderstorm. But what me want to know do for me, for everybody when I have water, wanna get on a tank. You wanna hear what me say? Get on a tank, get on a bucket. Listen to me, me feel on the pain, Me feel on the pain. So me I try to help by telling remember I said the government not help Remember, so the government not help you. So if you can't get any tank, if you can't get any bucket or anything, you make sure say you catch rainwater. You understand me? Remember them always say rainwater is the best water. You hear? So the only thing me can do, I give you a little advice. You make sure so you get ready because them say rain is expected, heavy rain and thunderstorm. And while you're at it, you be careful during the weather period, all right? That. My wisdom warriors, few persons reach out to me and they say, me always cover missing person. So they say they wouldn't like to know if how much out of the missing person have been found. But you know what? I did my research, my viewers and subscribers. I'm going to read it out for you because majority of the time, when them put out, say, these children are missing and stuff like that, it's very weird. Them really come back and say anything about it. But when I do my research, this is what I found out. Hear this. The Child Protection and Family Services Agency, called the CPFSA, says that 151 children who went missing from January to December 2023 are still missing. When I hear that, this number includes 133 girls and 18 boys. My viewers and subscribers, when you hear that, it also includes 133 girls and 18 boys. So, them say 151 children went missing from January to December and then still missing. So, where them picnic there? Where are they? You understand? Is the government doing enough? Are the police doing enough? Are they doing their investigation? Or what? You understand? What they just do? Come out one and two time and that's it and say them a search and it done? Are they really searching for the missing children? This is too much. 151 children went missing from January to December 2023. I will leave that, Hey, my viewers and subscribers, and stop this. So, hear more. The agency says that this is 14.7% of the total 1,027 children who went missing for the period. The agency says that while the majority of children were recovered safely, it is still concerned with the large number of children who go missing each year and is making every effort to curb the crisis. So right there, so you hear what they must say. They must make every effort basically to find the pity them. Because that me get to understand from it. The CEO of the CPFSA say, Laurette Adams Thomas says, a major area of strategic focus for the agency for 2024 is ensuring the implementation of various strategies to reduce instances of missing children while improving the effectiveness of recovery and intervention efforts. All right, now, you see in Jamaica, I think them have a thing where they call what? Them call the eye, the watch eye or something like that. Jamaica eye. Jamaica eye. That need for they all over Jamaica. Because maybe maybe the Jamaican eye can help, you know. Just like how uno say uno put it up, uno put it all over in a Kingston, and uno find how much missing car, how much stolen car we got missing, uno find it. Yeah? So why uno no use the Jamaican eye? Put it all over Jamaica. And them are sitting here and you only invest in a uno come up with Jamaican eye and only put it in a Kingston. No other day me hear them say them are going to try it in a Montego Bay. Uno fi think about the children them also. Yeah? Think about the children them. Put it all over in a Jamaica. Uno hear when me say government, put it all over in a Jamaica. Because if a picnic go missing, the Jamaican eye can help. The CCTV will be able to help. Even find some. Because too much picnic is going missing. Too much children. And adult as well. And adult. You understand? Too many children are going missing. And then what happen? When they go missing, then that's it. You don't hear nothing. You don't hear nothing about them. Are they really investigating this? I'm asking the government. Are you guys really investigating this? Because 133 picnic go missing. All know they can't recover. Whole of last year. So what happened? What really go down? Did uno find nobody? Not even one body then so they come out and find. So what really going on? Uno see say the country need help though and support. Uno see that? This is why I'm trying to say the CCTV where Andrew Holness have put in a Kingston. Now we say I'm going to move here, put it all over in the 14 parishes of Jamaica. Seriously. Because, as I said before, just like how you can't find the missing car. Remember, car of vanity, you know. Car of vanity. Come on. The children, them are human. They are human. So you have to do the right thing. Do the right thing for once and for all. Put all of the Jamaican eye all over Jamaica. You understand? At least when my son do that, I say, whoa, una do something. Do something like that, Andrew Wellness. Not only put Jamaican eye where it necessary for uno. No. You understand? Because remember 14 parish. 14 parish. So the people, them need the CCTV all over Jamaica. And it will help. Just like we help find missing car. I saw we help find missing picnic too. My viewers and subscribers, you tell me if you agree with me. Hear more. Director of Children and Family Programs at the CPFSA, Dr. Warren Thompson, says the missing children phenomenon is a complex one that requires a comprehensive strategy. They were speaking ahead of the Ananda Alert Western Youth Forum, which will be held on Thursday and will focus on developing solutions to address this problem. This forum will be held in Montego Bay, St. James, and will allow students from a wide cross-section of schools in the Western region to hear experts present on the topic and participate and have their voices be heard when it comes to creating relevant solutions. I think this is a good move, you know, talking to the student them and so forth. Yes, it is a good news. Yeah, and it is a good move and it is a very good idea. But we need more to this. We need more. Like I said, the CCTV. Yeah, because guess what now, my viewers and subscribers? Going to the student them, yes, talking to them, yes. But really and truly, what really do? You understand? This is why I say we don't need to have the camera all over. On the need to have the Jamaican eye all over the 14 parishes of Jamaica. Yes, man, because a lot of picnic go missing, and when them go missing, at least if we don't have the CCTV spread out all over, that can trace them. You know what I mean? That could trace them to see where them gone, because they can watch one CCTV and see where it led to, and see where the person reach around this or up the road. You know what I mean? Come on, man. You know, so no want go digital. So now if start do all these things from now, because no want go digital. You understand me? My wisdom warriors, I kept hearing them saying Ananda Alert. Yeah? So I'm going to explain to you what is Ananda Alert and how them come up with this idea called Ananda Alert. So Ananda Alert is a nationwide system designed to ensure speedy and safe recovery of a child in the unfortunate event that he or she is missing or abducted. The system which came into effect in 2009 is named after Ananda Dean. Who knows Ananda Dean, or who remember Ananda Dean, who was abducted and murdered in 2008? My wisdom warriors, may go read more about this child, because seriously, to tell you the truth, I didn't even know about Ananda Dean. It was when I was doing my research, I was like, what? Okay, I kept hearing them say Ananda alert, but I didn't really know how them create it and anything. But, you know, it is new to me. So my viewers and subscribers, hear this. If you look carefully on the screen, that's her picture. This child, her name is Ananda. So they came up with the Ananda Alert SMS subscription. So we need you to help us bring our children home, they are saying. And Ananda Alert is a system aimed at achieving the speedy and safe recovery of missing children through missing children alerts and child recovery activities. Please complete the form below to start receiving Ananda Alert SMS messages with information about missing children in Jamaica. So I guess I have to go on Google and you type in Ananda Alert, it comes up and you subscribe. You understand? And I think somehow it's on your phone or you download the app or something like that, my wisdom warriors. Yeah. So for all the parents them we are listen to this, or all the students them we are hear this, I think it's best to follow this Ananda Alert. 11-year-old Ananda Dean went missing on September the 17th, 2008. She was last seen leaving her school where she was a 6th grade student in Jamaica. The police found some clues when some of her school books were found in 2 different locations at separate times, my wisdom warriors. For telling you the truth, I never heard about Ananda Dean, my viewers and subscribers. Really and truly, I'm here to big up to my fan who come in the comment section and ask me to do a research on the missing children them if none has been found. And through the research, I get to learn about Ananda Dean. So me have to big up Andrew Black right now, because Andrew Black me I do this a researcher right now and me even find about Ananda Dean, as I said. So Andrew Black, big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, sir. Because if you never come in the comment section, me probably would even know about Ananda Dean. And through you ask me to do a research, and I've done that research. This is how I learn about Ananda Dean, and this is how the government came up the idea of creating Ananda Alert, which makes a lot of sense. Yeah, man, so respect for that. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, on a serious note now, you know what? When I read more about Ananda, it was emotional, you know, and I'm going to read it out for you. Maybe someone know about her. Maybe a lot of you heard about her, but I never. You understand? I'm sure a lot of you on my page never know about her as well. So 11 days later, the entire nation was rocked when her decomposing remains were found in bushes in Cypress Hill, Belvedere, St. Andrew. The body was naked and headless. Jesus, when I hear them something here, my viewers and subscribers, even saying the word, may I tell you no, even saying the word, a skull was all that remained of the head. When I hear that, a skull was all that remained of the head, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, man. And this is how them come up with the Ananda Alert. Yeah. So for everybody who just come on, if you want to go back and replay and watch the video, then you know we have a more understanding of what I'm saying. So it's good to turn on a subscription on, turn on a post notification on once you fill out the form. Once you fill out the form about the Ananda Alert. It is a good idea, and it's a good thing to have on your phone. All of the young people, them, all of the parents, them, all of the children, them will listen to me, please. You know, do the right thing, because too much of our children is going missing. Too much. And again, I'm asking the government to put the Jamaican eye all over Jamaica. Not only place on the nose the tourists are come. On here, put it all over Jamaica, because we are all human. You understand? We are all human. And we need all of these things to stop. And if you not stop, we want it to reduce. Whole heap, whole heap, whole heap. And really and truly, a stop we want it to stop. A stop we want it to stop. So my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about Ananda. Dean, tell me if you heard about the situation and tell me how you feel about it and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Government Senator Abka Finch Henley. Me no know about him, you know, but then say Government Senator Abka Finch Henley is vowing that the governing Jamaica Labour Party will respond strongly with the truth to what he says is a deluge of misinformation being fed to the public by the opposition PNP. So, Andrew, unless them now decide to send out this man when he am Abka Finch Henley, fi come defend. Me tell about the idiot here, they have no sense, you know. They have no damn sense. Hear more. Finch Henley took aim at 3 PNP bigwigs while he delivered the main address on the weekend at a meeting of the Central Executive of Generation 2000 G2K. G2K is the young professional affiliate of the JLP. G2000, them are shit. And they don't know nothing that me want the Jamaican people to know. G2000 is shit. Them don't know nothing. Them always bring misinformation. And them bring misinformation. Not the PNP. You need to get it right. So then say no, you know. What you call yourself, government senator. Abka Finch Henley. Who you try to attack? Or where you come out on a defense? Because me don't understand. Because Ian Hills come out and talk the truth. The whole out of vex. But guess what? The people, they not get water for true. And the people, they not get no tank for true. As some people, only their favorite get tank. A lot of people don't have any water. A lot of people don't have any water. So where Ian Hills tell lie? He's standing up for the Jamaican people. And he's speaking up for the voiceless. Nothing wrong with that. So what uno I do now? Uno come up with a strategy. And think una go stifle the Jamaican people. You know say una want wicked set a drunko. Una know that though. No, JLP. You know say una wicked. Una wicked, you know. Una wicked to the Jamaican people. The people them a come out and say they not have no water. The people them afraid to open up their mouth and talk. The people them are so all about. The people them say they don't want and just say no, nobody can kill them. And that a go round. Nobody na hide and talk that go round. The people them afraid. The people them scared. For even go out and protest. You look like you not get it. And then you come out and a defend. You come out and a defend JLP. Brother, you see uno is just you see human being. Human being is a wicked set of blouse and skirt people them in a man. Seriously, you know. Seriously, you know. You see, if God was like man, no for uno dead, you know. If God was like man, you know, Jano. Because look the way how una deal with the Jamaican people. Look the way how una deal with the Jamaican people on your own. Me tell Jamaican people say, JLP do not like uno. Every day, uno must see that for uno blast itself. Uno see say uno have no water. Uno see say the government not help uno. Uno see that the government is not helping uno. I want to still talk about JLP and then this a idiot to come out now. I run off him out to come talk about how them are going. Una idiot to for go away. Una G2000. Una for go one side. What G2000. Una say a drought a go on. And the people they need water. Why una never come out and call out Christopher Tufton and call out Matusa Muda to make sure that the people them are Westmoreland and Hanover get water and get tank. Why you never do that G2000? And that enough to do? What una fi come out and talk about? Una no come out and talk about. That's why me know say una one set of hypocrite. Una one set of wicked. Una just wicked and heartless. Seriously. Me can't believe uno. Me really and truly can't believe uno. And then again, me say the one Venetia she come out and a hype. As she say she like Lord Jesus. Me I tell you no, only God alone know. Only God alone know. Una set of wicked people. Uno come for destroy Jamaica, mash down Jamaica. And that is what the JLP party stand for. Yeah, that's all uno do. Remember, so when Siaga take over, you know, Siaga plan wasn't to make Jamaica be prosperous, you know. It was to damage Jamaica. So Jamaican people should have known better. Uno should know better. Uno know say Michael Manley is the real man. Everybody know that. No found no labor right know that too. So Michael Manley was the real man and him mean well for Jamaica. Not Siaga. So that for sure no say People's National Party is totally different. It's totally different from the Jamaica Labour Party. You understand? I mean, I want nobody come over here and tell myself a look back from when. We now go backward. We are go forward now. We have to look after what is happening in our country now and change it. And the time is now. So when I see this man when him Abaka come out and I can't hide, brother go sit down. Brother, you waste of time. Una wicked. Una set a wicked. I want to all out no go prison. Every single one of us no. Me want to go prison. Seriously. The whole out now wicked. The whole out now come up but wanna love Jamaica people are tricky idiot them. Cause you know for the Jamaican people they're hungry. And if they want to give them one box of chicken, they take it, they gladly take it. And I show appreciation. Cause the way how they're hungry. They not think for the future. So sometimes me can't even beat them. Even as bad as me come and beat them. Sometimes me can't even beat them too much. Seriously. Cause they lack of knowledge. They lack of knowledge. And then they just have these people where they send out name G2000. When Andrew Holness, Matthew Samu, all right. G2000, don't you see what Matthew Samu that done to Amber? Why you not come out and talk about that G2000? You not say your prime minister is under investigation. Yeah? Why you not come out and talk about that? Tell your prime minister for declaring asset. The 60th in a Jamaica Labour Party, G2000, what you know about, why you not come out and chat about that? But you not fast in a PNP business. You not fast in a PNP business when I have nothing to do with you. Talk about what is going on in the Jamaica Labour Party. You in power now. You in power. So everything want to come up with right now, you just spreading propaganda. The whole of you. That's all you did for spread propaganda. My viewers and subscribers, when I see this man coming out, but he is strongly this and strongly that, brother go sit down, because the whole on the worthless, and you don't love Jamaica, I just scrape when I scrape. That's all you do. I take taxpayer money and do everything you want to do with it. I don't no business with the poorer class of people. And then you come out and chat about love Jamaica people. Simple water. You don't want to give the people them. You don't lack off water from Jamaica. Hey, Jamaican people, I hope you see what going on, you know. I hope you see what going on, you know. No found afraid to go out, you know. No remember this, you know, no forget, you know. Remember say you don't have water, you know. Both Labour Right and PNP, you know. No remember good, you know. Say you don't have water, you know. So when general election coming up, brother, you know make sure say you vote out Andrew Holness, you know. Because him not deserve another term. May I tell you, no, he do not deserve another term. Because remember, water is life, you know. Water is life, you know. If you don't have water, you know, you don't have life, you know. You understand me? We need water, you know. We all need water. Even the plants need water. And to see how the government has sabotaged, you know. I hope you learn from this, you know. And hey, if me ever see one now no come over my comment section and come talk about Andrew what me got this one, you know, me I tell you no count a real dopey bat. Cause only dopey bat a suffer like dog. And still I pick up for a man where I live large. My sister no found no sense. That's why me cuss out on a rotted wall. I mean I care. Me don't care. You know why? Because you no found a fool. You don't have no sense. Me can't believe saying 2024. You not act like that. I pick up for man we live large and care, not even little water the man want go. No. The man a lack of water and make sure say hotel of water. Because what? It's all about money. It's all about the wealth, not the health. It's all about the wealth. Can remember if you don't have water, you not go take sick, you know. You not go take sick. Hey, I remember say no resources and no equipment, no, there are no hospital. So tell me now. Tell me. You not read between the lines. Read between the lines what Andrew wants to happen to Jamaican people. I hope you understand what I say to you. My wisdom warriors, you tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.